Hey everyone, if you have a septic system at home, then this is for you. Let me introduce you to EcoStrong's Septic Liberator. This all-natural chemical-free product is the ultimate solution for maintaining and restoring your septic system. It's so easy to use. Just shake the jug well and then pour the gallon directly in the toilet after an initial treatment if you're having issues. And you're good to go. For regular maintenance, use 1 cup every month to keep your system running smoothly and to prevent future problems. No more septic nightmares. EcoStrong's Septic Liberator cleared our system and eliminated odors fast. It's eco-friendly, safe for your home and the environment, and it saves you money on expensive septic repairs. Mild issues, you'll see results in 7 to 14 days. Moderate issues, 14 to 30 days. Severe issues, 30 to 60 days. It's that effective. Say goodbye to septic disasters and hello to clean, clear system with EcoStrong's Septic Liberator. Get yours today and see the difference. Visit ecostrong.com to learn more and purchase. Trust me, your septic systems will thank you. Thanks for watching.